Welcome to this captivating journey through the natural beauty of Sweden. Today, we're going to explore one of Sweden's hidden gems, the Hallamölla Waterfall, nestled in the heart of the scenic Österlen region. As we soar above the lush green landscape, you can see the Hallamölla Waterfall in all its glory. This magnificent cascade is a true masterpiece of nature, standing at approximately 23 meters, that is 75 feet tall. At the heart of this spectacle is the Vrkien River, which gracefully tumbles over the rugged cliffs, creating a mesmerizing display of cascading water and creating a soothing symphony of sound. Hallamölla has long been a favorite destination for both locals and tourists alike. Its tranquil surroundings make it a perfect spot for picnics, hiking, and simply immersing oneself in the serene beauty of nature. As you explore the area around the waterfall, you'll be captivated by the rich biodiversity. The lush vegetation and vibrant wildflowers provide a habitat for various species of birds and insects, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and photographers. Not far from the waterfall, you'll discover a charming historical mill, which dates back to the 17th century. This well-preserved relic of Sweden's past serves as a reminder of the region's rich cultural heritage. The mill once played a crucial role in grinding grain for the local community, and today, it stands as a testament to Sweden's rural history. Surrounded by picturesque forests, rolling hills, and fertile farmlands, Hallamölla Waterfall offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. This area is also home to numerous hiking trails that wind through the unspoiled wilderness, providing breathtaking views of the waterfall from different angles. While Hallamölla itself is a star attraction, the Österlen region offers even more to explore. Nearby, you'll find quaint villages with charming cottages, artisan shops, and local markets. Make sure to sample some of the region's culinary delights, such as freshly baked pastries and local cheeses. The Vrkien River, which feeds Hallamölla Waterfall, is renowned for its crystal-clear waters. In the summer, it's a popular spot for swimming and cooling off in the refreshing river. The riverbanks are also a great place for a leisurely stroll, where you can connect with nature and spot fish swimming beneath the surface. As the sun sets behind the waterfall, casting a warm and golden hue, it's a moment of pure magic that you won't want to miss. Whether you're a nature lover, history enthusiast, or simply seeking tranquility, Hallamölla Waterfall has something for everyone. As evening descends, the historical mill and its surroundings take on a different kind of charm. The soft glow of lanterns and the rustling of leaves create a peaceful ambience, perfect for a romantic stroll or a moment of quiet reflection. If you plan to visit Hallamölla Waterfall, keep in mind that the best time to experience its beauty is during the spring and early summer when the water flow is at its peak. The waterfall is easily accessible by car, and there's ample parking available. Remember to respect the natural environment and follow any posted guidelines to help preserve this pristine location for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey to Hallamölla Waterfall in Sweden. We hope you've been inspired to explore this hidden gem for yourself and immerse in the beauty and serenity it offers.
Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the content, visit our website and read our article on the subject to get more information. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss when we publish something new. Here are suggestions for a video and playlist that we think would be interesting for you. Take care. See you in another video.